Good morning, dear parents, and I hope you all are in good health. And now we'll be sending the work through Snap homework and WhatsApp. Your cooperation will be highly appreciated. So, we'll be starting with the three-letter words in English, and for the three-letter words, we'll be following the phonetic method. You will have to teach your children with the help of phonetics. So just for a quick recap, I'll tell you how we pronounce the phonetics in school so that you'll be able to understand and teach them in same manner. So we'll start with A. So A's sound is A, apple. Then B, A, B, C, D, E, should be, your stomach should go inside when you speak E, F, G, H, I, E. The sound of I is E. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So these are the phonetic sounds that we'll be following, and I'll tell you the three-letter words, how to pronounce them, and then you can teach your kids. And we'll be sharing the link so that it will be easier for the kids to learn. Thank you.